PSWDO Head, Ma'am Merle Garcia. Ma'am Merle, good evening. Si Aksyon Marlon sa Aksyon Radio Bacolod.
Ay, good evening, Action Marlon.
Ma'am, salamat kayo. Naging tawagan ta ka kay na isa ka sang mga nag-upod man sa kay Governor Lacson with Regional Director sang DSWD diri sa Region 6, Attorney Nochete. I-check ko lang ma'am ang record ni mo dira ano gid ang kanamuon sang actual evacuees sa evacuation center kag kanamuon sa mga affected families.
Oo, we have more than 3,000 and individuals of 18,237.
Ang 80,237 is individuals ini siya nga affected.
Yeah, 18,237.
Okay, halin sa ano nga mga barangay ini ma'am?
Hindi, tatlo man lang ka barangays ang kuan affected.
Aha.
From the 18 different 18 evacuation centers of Himamaylan.
Aha. And then pila subong ang ara pa nagkalabilin ma'am sa evacuation centers?
Wala pa kami changes, wala pa kami report or updated report from Himamaylan.
Mhm.
Except we stick to the report nga ginhatag nila. This is now a DROMIC 5 report, no, based on the DROMIC 5 nga ginhatag nila.
Mhm.
Ginsubmit nila this morning.
Aha, okay.
Actually, na-receive na ni namon ang report on yesterday,
Mhm.
but ang natabo nga medyo ang region and ang province sa office namon is wala kami nag-consistent na among report because the report that they submitted received from the Himamaylan is iya ka Dromix 4.
Aha.
So that was 17,000. However, una kami nakabaton sa Dromic 5 which is 18,000. So that was yesterday. So nakuha na kami right in the afternoon daw nag-istoryanay kami sa region, pareho na kami ang figure which is 18,237.
As of
As of today.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Sige. 18 ang evacuation centers. Kaganing 18 ma'am, may ari pa gid ni mga evacuees.
Oo, wala pa man so far. May medyo may po apart or medyo may nagpalauli pero hindi namon wala kami sang confirmed reports to our mga ulo istoryara. But hopefully by tomorrow we will have an update of the report to be submitted to us by the CSWDO of Himamaylan.
Aha, okay. Kaina gin siling ni Gov Lacson nga mayara sang dugang nga mga assistants gin padala ang province kag ano ini ma'am kaina nagidabot dito?
Okay, nag-turn over ang atong Governor Eugenio Bong Lacson sang 50 sacks of rice. This is the second batch, second round nga paghatag ni Gov sa assistance to the city government of Himamaylan City. So we had 50 sacks of rice, 15 boxes of sardines, 15 boxes of corned beef, and 15 boxes of meatloaf. And the last is the 24 boxes arroz caldo. This is the second time because the previous one we sent an assistance of 10 sacks of rice, 40 family packs, no? That includes 6 kilos of rice and sardines. And then we also give them corned beef and beef loaf and ready-to-eat food, no, donated, and then the arroz caldo as well. So this time, as I mentioned a while ago, this is now the second round na food assistance from the provincial government of the province, rather.
Okay, kag ang regional nga opisina sang DSWD Ma'am Merle may ara man niya separate nga assistance.
Yeah, sila. So they were the first one to respond, no, sa pagkatabo, and then in fact ang the regional ang isa ka mga evacuation centers nga na ara karon nga ginautor is the regional evacuation center. That's the DSWD. So sila ang unang nag-respond kay of course ang province will just augment to whatever food assistance extended by the LGU. Dapat LGU, and then nag-augment kami and joined together with the DSWD region or national office.
Aho. Kay na ma'am, nag-istoryahan na yung makamo ni Atty. Nuchete, ato sa Regional Director sa DSWD. Anong may mga concern ka mga ginistoryahan? Anong inyo sa ginistoryahan kay na ma'am? May mga concern?
Ang mga programs, the same programs kay T were under we're under the programs and services that we're implementing is the same programs nga amo man ang implement sa atong regional office.
Sige. Ma'am Merle, salamat kida. At least na-clear tani ang figures, no? Kay na daw why magsigaw bla, why magsanto, Ma'am Merle, no? At least na-clear ta.
And I really tried my best to coordinate to call the DROMIC section of or division of the Region 6, and he informed me, ma'am, wala pa manamon mabaton ang DROMIC 5. Siling ko, ang DROMIC 5 is with me since yesterday. So, ang report ganina was 17,000 because based on the DROMIC 5 nga gin-submit. So, actually, ang mga reports nga na share man namon sa media, and then these are the reports from DROMIC 1 to 4 and 5. Every report nga gin-submit sa aton nga counterpart sa LGU of Himamaylan, duha na lang kami nga opisina ang ginasubmitan. Automatically, it's the province to the PSWDO, and the other one is ang region. So, duha na kami. The same figure. Unfortunately, ang sa DROMIC 5, wala daw dugay ang transmission sang ilang report. So, nauna kami na transmitan sang report. So, that's why nag-advance kami sang report, because the moment we receive any reports coming from any LGUs, immediately, we have to inform our governor para he would have the knowledge of everything what has happened. So, amo na siya dapat. That's our protocol. Once we receive any reports from the LGUs, we immediately submit a report, even twice a day. But it's at the ini nga natabo, it's once a day because Himamaylan submitted the report once a day lang man.
Sige. Ma'am Merle Garcia, thank you so much, ma'am, sa information. Kag salamat kida, mayong gabi mo.
Oh, welcome. Thank you also for this opportunity. Good
Salamat,
night.
ma'am. Mayong gabi.
Okay.
Aksyon Firing Line.